everyone! Welcome to Straight Out of Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'm gonna make pumpkin and edamame croquette. Halloween is around the corner, so I wanted to make something with pumpkin. Edamame is very popular all over the world, so I will also use it together to make croquette. Alright, let's get started! Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. Seal the pumpkin, then cut into bite-sized pieces and remove the skin. Place the pumpkin in a heat-proof bowl, cover with plastic wrap and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. While the pumpkin is in the microwave, finely chop the onion and finely chop the bacon. While the pumpkin is hot, mash it. Put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a fry pan and fry the onion and the bacon. Sprinkle pepper. Remove the edamame from the pot. Mix the fried onions, bacon, and edamame with the mashed pumpkin. Make a ball about the size of a ping-pong ball. Mix flour and water to make batter. Keep mixing until you get a custard-like consistency. Dip the pumpkin ball into the batter, then cover with panko. I use a spoon to do it because the pumpkin ball is very soft. The panko are lightly coated here. Shape them later for frying. Now I'm going to fry them in oil. Set to medium-high heat. When you put wooden chopsticks in oil and you see bubbles, it's ready. Fry the balls, shaping them into a round shape. Turn them occasionally and remove when golden brown. Let's serve it up! With the soft, gentle flavor of the pumpkin and the texture of the edamame, these croquettes are so tasty!
いただきます。
They are delicious on their own, but you can also eat it with any sauce like okonomi sauce or tomato sauce if you like. It's perfect for a Halloween party, so give it a go! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!